Hi, Jen here. Today we're going to create this latte makeup look, this trendy makeup that has been trending on TikTok for a couple of months now. And I thought of doing this makeup look now because now we're not transitioning. We're already in fall, which I think it's perfect for fall. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I created my version of the latte makeup trend. I'm going to start by priming my face using the e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Primer. This was a limited edition, but a very similar primer to this one is the e.l.f. Power Grip. I will put a picture here. I'm gonna put this on my face as a primer. I will rub this in. Now for foundation, I will be using the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powdered Foundation. I will be using a kind of tapered brush from Shiglam. It's a foundation brush. Okay, I think it's a lot. I thought this was going to be more liquidy, but it's not, so great. I'm going to use what's left to carve out the top of my brows. Okay, now we're going to move to the eyes. What I saw is that it's very bronzy, caramelly. That's what we're going to focus on today. I'm using the Jackie Aina palette today. I think it has the perfect shades in it. First shade I want to use is Ginger, which I think is the perfect shade for this look. I am just patting the eyeshadow all over my lid, and once I'm satisfied, now I'm going to start blending the shadow in. Now I'm gonna go in with Credit. This is gonna add a bit more dimension. I love this so far. And one shade that is in the Jackie Aina palette that is amazing is Zam. And it's kind of a bronzy goldy shade. And we're gonna use this in the inner lid part. Not even. I think I'm gonna use this more so in the middle. Exactly. Yes. I love that. This is the perfect shade. I hope you have this palette so you can recreate the exact same eye look. It's so gorgeous. This is the eyes so far and I love it. And I'm going to use edges because it's a bit of a orangey shade. I'm going to mix it with ginger so it's not too orangey, just to warm up a bit the look, because it's not supposed to be too orangey. Okay, next we're gonna come back to the eyes, but let's finish the face. I'm going to use my Rimmel Multitasker Concealer under the eyes. I'm going to put a tiny bit on my nose. I'm blending this out using, I think this is a Shop Miss A sponge. The Latin makeup trend, it's all about bronziness. So this is our focus today. I'm using the Huda Beauty Contour Bronzer. I'm gonna try to apply kind of a lot. Going on my cheekbones. And I'm not going to use any cream blush. The main reason is, one, we're not supposed to be using any blush in this look, but I do have a powdered blush that is perfect for this look. So again, I am placing this all in my contour zones, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline. And I am patting the product in using a kabuki angled brush. Using a tiny eye brush. I'm starting on my nose first. Going to use a little bit of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer just to brighten up a little bit more. What I love about this look is how the lower lash line is smoked out. And I used to do this a lot back in the days. Not back in the days, like last year. But I think this is my favorite part about this look. I think we're looking pretty good so far. So now we're going to set everything. Oh no, not me dipping my nail in my bronzer, making a huge dent. Anyways, first I'm going to set under my eyes using my Huda Beauty. No, not the Huda Beauty, the Fenty Loose Powder. I'm going to use a tiny bit of that because when I use a lot of this product, it feels drying under my eyes and I don't like that. To set my bronze contour, I will be using the Absolute New York. I saw this creator on YouTube here, Ariel Ash, used that and I thought it was amazing. It's a great idea because this has kind of a shimmery finish and it's gonna give a bit of a glowy look to the skin. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. Using my face powder to set my nose contour because I don't like the harsh look. To set my face, I'm going to use the Stay Mix. What am I saying today? I didn't have my coffee yet and it's almost 2 p.m. Anyways, I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over spray. I forgot to add the blush. So the blush I'm using is the Always Spicy blush, which has a beautiful terracotta color. See what I'm talking about? So pretty. I forgot to bring an highlighter with me, so what I'm going to do is use a bit of a Zam, the shade I used on my eyes, to highlight the bridge of my nose just a tad. And my nose just a bit. Using this as well on my Cupid's bow. To line my lips, I will be using my MAC lip liner. For lipstick, I'm using the limited edition of the Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline in the shade Caramel Collector. I chose this because it has a caramel undertone, right? And yeah, and it's kind of orangey as well, so I think it's perfect for this look. Gonna use just a bit. And on top of it, I will be using my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Butterscotch. Yup. Yep. This is what I was looking for. We're going to finish the lower lash line that I almost forgot to do. I'm going to use a mix of edges and ginger. going to use a bit of the brown shade Credit as well. Now I'm going to add Zam in my inner corner. I'm going to mix it with Soleil here. Alright, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this latte makeup on brown black skin. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let's keep the conversation going in the comment section down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and join the squad. Alright, thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you all on my next one.